Have you ever promised yourself you'd wake up early, but somehow hit snooze 5 times? Or told yourself you'd crush a workout, but ended up scrolling on your phone until you felt guilty? Here's the thing. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're simply human, and humans always choose comfort when comfort is easy. Most advice about discipline misses a point. Some say, take baby steps, be gentle with yourself. Others say, punish yourself if you fail, double the pain next time. Neither creates long-term consistency. Because if avoiding the habit is effortless, your brain will always take that shortcut. The solution? Stop forcing discipline. Change the game so discipline becomes the easiest option. Step 1. Make discipline the default. Motivation is temporary. Willpower is unreliable. But your environment? That's constant. Think about it. You don't show up to work every morning because you're motivated. You show up because losing your job will be far worse. You pay your bill because the alternative, debt and stress, is painful. Apply that same principle to your habits. If staying in bed is more comfortable than getting up, of course you'll stay. So change it. Put your alarm across the room with a bottle of water beside it. When it rings, you have to stand up to turn it off. Drink the water, and suddenly, crawling back to bed feels inconvenient. Do the same with distractions. If your phone pulls you in, leave it in another room. If your laptop tempts you, close it and put it away. When picking up distractions becomes a hassle, focus becomes natural. Step 2. Add instant consequences. The reason discipline feels so slippery is because skipping the day doesn't hurt today. Miss one workout. No big deal. Eat junk once. Nothing happens. But over time, the damage compounds. So attach pain immediately. Promise a friend you'll send them $10 if you skip. If $10 doesn't sting, make it $50. Or use an app that donates to a cause you dislike whenever you fail. Now, skipping isn't harmless. It's expensive. You'll think twice before saying, I'll just do it tomorrow. Step 3. Use social pressure. Humans hate embarrassment more than failure. That's why accountability is powerful. Tell a friend, a mentor, or even a group your deadline. Now skipping doesn't just disappoint you. It makes you look unreliable. Announce your goals publicly, not to brag, but to raise the stakes. Nobody wants to be the weak link in a challenge. Even silent company helps. IT's called body doubling, simply working while someone else works nearby. Studies show we perform better when we feel observed. And if no one is around, join an online co-working group. You'll still feel the presence of others being productive. Step 4. Make good habits rewarding. Your brain craves instant pleasure, not delayed benefits. That's why a Netflix episode feels better than a run. So, flip the script with temptation bundling. Pair a task you need to do with something you love. Only allow yourself to listen to your favorite podcast while running. Or only watch your favorite show while cleaning. Suddenly, you're not forcing a habit, you're looking forward to it. Step 5. Eliminate loopholes and keep it balanced. Your brain is clever. It will always search for escape routes. If you put your alarm across the room but keep a pillow handy to cover your ears, you've already beaten the system. Keep adjusting until the easier path is a disciplined one. But don't push too far. If $10 consequences keep you on track, stick with that. If $100 makes you broke and discouraged, you'll quit. Find the sweet spot that motivates without destroying momentum. Discipline is not about being tougher than everyone else. It's about redesigning your life so the smart choice is also the easy choice. When skipping costs money, when distractions are blocked, when social pressure makes failure embarrassing, and when habits feel rewarding in the moment, discipline stops being a battle. It becomes automatic. Remember, people don't change by inspiration alone. They change when the cost of staying the same becomes too heavy to ignore. So don't just wait for motivation. Build systems where the wrong choice hurts and the right choice feels natural.